Hello, everybody. Just want to come in and say hello from Divine Creations. Today we are working on a housewarming gift with neutral colors with a little bit of splash. So here we have a oven mitt that we purchased from Dollar Tree that says the word dream. Dollar Tree has some really nice kitchen sets. You should go check them out. They have ones that say inspired. Another one that says another thing I forgot, but I got all three. However, then we have a towel, a kitchen towel, that also says the word dream. And I put a piece of cardboard in there to support it and make it stand up. And we also have a couple of more pieces that go along with this Dollar Tree set. So the next thing that we are going to put inside of our basket is one of the Dollar General brown tag or brown circle 90% off blankets. It is a fleece blanket that is gray that goes with our black, white, and gray theme. As you can see, I'm sitting here and I'm cutting off the wrapping that comes with the original blanket because it still had a price tag on there that I could not get off. Also, we want to make it more personal and feel more as a gift. So what we're doing right now is we are wrapping the blanket in a circle form, and we are putting a ribbon around it to make it feel more like a gift. The ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby years ago, just basic white ribbon. And we're just putting a little bow on there. By the way, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And also, if you would if you like the video, and leave a comment so we can conversate back and forth. I will respond to all comments. Okay, so here we go with the beautiful gray blanket with the ribbon on there. It's a gorgeous blanket. And we're going to also put in there another piece that matches the dream set is 2 pieces of oven mitts. And then we add a piece of home decor to this, which I also got from Dollar General on the 90% clearance. Then we're going to add some Power Stick body wash. Also in that silver, and because we had the green plant in the background, we put a little green. We have a little green with that. And then we have a cup that matches the marbleized look that's in the oven sets. And then we also have some shea butter, Power Stick body lotion that goes with the body wash. And then here we are, when we have body wash, we usually give them a sponge to go with it. And that is a dark gray. Guys, please forgive my lighting. At this moment, I did not have a ring light. Mine's had broken. No. But we are using natural light in our basement or our studio, okay? So here we go with the sponge. And then we're just going to fill that empty space with a little flour. And then we're going to wrap this baby up, okay? So as we're wrapping this gift up, you guys can see that there are 2 hearts at the bottom. I did go back and take those hearts off because I realized I used this box for Valentine's. So there's a later, I don't think I took a photo, matter of fact, of the hearts being taken off. But we did take the hearts off the box. And I was out of camera angle for you to see the whole box. That is the ribbon that we are going to put on top of the basket. But before we do that, we want to show you what it looks like all together because I was out of view for the camera, okay? Thanks, you guys. Be divine.